In order to see the MDT tools in plots, as well as the new features of version 7.5, we will use our 2017 Work Plan sketch file. And as you can see, we have an area called 2017 Work, featuring a contour and a circle, indicating we have a slide. Well, if we go to MDT, Surfaces, Current Surface, and choose the surface of the current surface of the quarry, MDT Current Top, we can see it is superimposed, and to revise it, we go to DTM, Break Lines, Find Boundary. As you can see, in accordance with the tests conducted, the new 2017 plan consists of the quarry being exploited in a northerly direction. The problem is that we have a series of properties in this area that do not belong to the exploitation of the quarry, and we will be asked to resolve this situation. Furthermore, there has been a slide in this area of the slope, and land has been eaten away. The problem being that the land has been affected that is not our property. Anyway, we are asked to check how much land has been affected and to deal with the issue by purchasing or acquiring a safety setback for this contour. The exercises and notes of this tutorial, as well as the reference for the DTM technical notes, available on the APLITOP website under Download and Technical Notes, provide explanations and instructions on how to work with land register cartography, in addition to GIS sources, SHP types, and directly importing GML files in which we can work with land register cartography using the DTM Curvatures Cartography Import GIS command, enabling us to import both SHP and GML files. Another more direct manner would be working with our plot tools, DTM Plots, and importing the SHP plot as GML files. In our case, we have already downloaded the 3 plot files we will provide for this exercise.